What's going on YouTube? How y'all doing? I hope you're all having a great day. My name is Kevster and I want to thank you all for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a little different, at least for me. For the first time ever on this channel, I'll be doing a product review and install. So in terms of what I got today, it's nothing major in terms of this modification, but nonetheless, it'll still be a nice upgrade for all you viewers. So LASFIT Auto Lighting was super kind enough to send me a set of their They were super kind enough to send me a set of their LED fog lights that do have a really cool function, so stay tuned for that. And they also did send me a pair of their interior LED map lights that I do hear are really bright. So again, stay tuned. All right, so getting right to it, since we're already in the car, I figured I'd start off with these map lights. I think they're map lights or dome lights. I mean, same thing, interior LEDs, right? So again, they sent me their LEDs right there. And I don't know about you guys, but that looks really premium to me. And let me actually compare it with actually what I got in the car right now. So the ones I have in my car currently are from Envision Motorsports. I believe they're based out in the East Coast. So a friend of mine by the name of Vader SI, well, his IG handle is Vader SI. He was super kind enough to send me some my way. So just a little side by side. Oh, hold on, wait, can't even see myself. So it's just a little side by side comparison. The LASFIT ones do look a lot more premium, as I mentioned, so let's go ahead and actually see if these are a lot brighter than the ones I currently have in my car. I do apologize if this is a bad angle for you guys, but bear with me. All you'll need to get this done for the install, you're just going to need a little itty-bitty flathead screwdriver. Nothing too major for this. It's a super thin one. You don't need anything crazy. To get it started, all you're going to do is just stick the flathead in on the very edge of the plastic, I guess you will, or the cover, and just pry at it. Oh, there it goes. It pops out right there. Let's see. Very easy. Just go at it. There's no rush to this, and you should be able to. There you go. So yeah, just removed it. Remove the actual bulb. You can actually go at it with your bare hands, but if you don't want to get, you know, oil from your fingers on it, if you're kind of paranoid about that, then, you know, by all means, you can definitely use a microfiber towel. Just grab onto it. It doesn't require much effort. Just wiggle it around like so, and there it is. Easy as that. All right, so here's one last up close look. Man, this looks nice. So how we're gonna go in is just go in like so. Right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And just wiggle it in. And there it is. Oh wow. That's actually pretty darn bright. That's pretty bright, honestly. All right, so we're all finished with the left side and installing it. I did put the light cover back on. So let's go ahead and get a quick side-by-side comparison on how these two stack up. LASFIT and Envision Motorsports. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that left one is no joke. It is super bright compared to this guy over here. As always, camera doesn't do any justice. Yeah, being right here and seeing it with my naked eye, yeah, it's a lot brighter on the left side. And a huge shout out to LASFIT. Yeah, these are no joke. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick test on this. Mind you, there still is a little bit of light outside. So the way I'm gonna test it, focus on this area here. I'm gonna show you how well the two light up this area. So starting off, let's go ahead and start with the right one, which is again, the one I have from Envision Motorsports. Right one on. Right one off. You guys ready for this? LASFIT on. That is crazy, and that's no joke. And the crazy thing is, that's only one of them too. I can only imagine when two of these are equipped with the LASFIT bulbs. So again, LASFIT off, LASFIT on, right one on. Yeah, there's no compare. So LASFIT for the win. All right, so let's get started with a quick little unboxing. So in the box itself, you'll get some nice little stickers from LASFIT, one in red, one black, and also one white. Also some info and literature about their Elite Club. Of course, a product manual, and of course the bulbs itself. Very nice looking, very high quality looking as well. Let me pull one up for you guys. Okay, so how I'm going about installing these on my car is going to be through the fog light cover. So the reason why I'm going about it this way is because my car is lowered. I don't have a low profile jack. You know, usually people will go underneath the car here, undo some clips and 10mm bolts. But even then, when I do that, I can't maneuver my arm to go from underneath and up through the wheel well or up through here to get behind the fog light. So what I do, as you can see, remove the fog light cover, and you have plenty of room to stick your hand in there. So for example, sticking my hand through there, you'll see my finger right through there. Lots of room, easy job. Okay, so just in case you're wondering how I got this fog light cover off, I used a flathead screwdriver, and I would also highly recommend a microfiber towel. Only reason being is because of course you don't want to chip away at the paint or damage anything in here. What I do is, you know, stick this end right in there, and you're gonna pry at the cover, right? So, and then eventually you'll have enough room to stick your finger between there and pry at it more, just like so, and then you'll get it off. All right, so first step being, you're gonna unclip this guy from the stock halogen fog light. Then from there, you're just gonna grab your LASFIT switchback LED. Here it comes. Okay, yep, we do have it in nice and snug. I can wiggle it around and it's nice and snug in there. Last step to do is you're gonna get the LASFIT end right here. So you have the LASFIT end right here where my thumb's at, and then you have, you know, this guy, which, you know, goes to your car, and you just clip them in like so. All right, so as you can see, it is now nighttime, and the best time, of course, to show you products of any lighting will be at night. So this is how the interior LEDs look, and they are bright. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, that's bright, all right. Lights up the entire cabin with no issues. I still have the factory ones back there, so don't mind that, but right up front, yeah, it does a really good job at lighting everything up, and trust me, it's a lot brighter in person. It's like daytime in here. But yeah, big props to LASFIT producing a great product. So those are the interior LEDs. Now let me go ahead and show you guys the fog lights. So for the purpose of this video, to demonstrate or just to show the fogs, I did disconnect the headlights. So here are the fog lights by itself. Really bright as well. A nice pure LED white looking color, which will give you guys a better view from further away. But yeah, again, really bright. I am impressed. Now, of course, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, these do have a really cool function. These fog lights do switch to a yellow, which I believe is about a 5000 K temperature. So it's really easy to switch to the different color. All you do is just turn the fog lights off, turn it back on, and now you have yellow. Really clean as well. Let me get further for you guys. Yep, these are going to be the fogs. I love them. Really bright. And again, simply to just alternate between the two colors, all you're going to do is just turn on and off the fogs. Off, on, LED, off, on, yellow. Hope you all enjoyed that video, and again, thank you so much to LASFIT for sending me some great products of yours to review and test for all the viewers on here. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel yet, please consider doing so. I do have another video coming up on what I got for the SI. It's already on the car, but you guys can't see it. So again, consider subscribing for when I upload that video. And again, as always, my name is Kevster. I'll see you guys next time.